part. Yep, this is where we ended off. I'm just gonna try to find a structure, everybody. So I'm just gonna pause the video. Don't pause the video. I will. I'm back, everybody. So I do not know what I just found. At least it's not nighttime anymore. What? What is this? Oh, I'd say we won't. Hello? I didn't see a villager here. Okay. What is this? Hello? At least I'm not red. Hello, little. These are not mods in Minecraft. This is my first time dying, and I finally made it back. Let's start the cutscene. I don't care about the map. What? What did it just... That is great. Healing kit. I'm gonna have to open all of these caves. Why would I... Look at the big mom, she's scared of me. Nothing to be scared of, mister. So this is like dirt. A third skeleton. I found 4 skeletons. Yep, I'm open on. Oh my gosh. I guess one time out. open all of them. Oh wait, there's more. Oh my gosh, a birch tree. These are the... Wait. No, this is not a birch tree. I'd say let's run. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 that's a nice dog tree. Oh wait, where did it go? I just want to do something to these people. I want to see if they can fly. So actually I always die on these worlds on the sky. Which we are gonna do just an easy base. Told you. Of course there's powders. Actually, people, we will not do this. Can I tell you what this is all along? It's a mod that I have, the Aether. What? Granstone pillar? I cannot believe this. So we'll actually go to the real one. So I named it YouTube's World. Because it's on YouTube. I don't know why is that like being like that. I know. So I actually think the large days. Let's just hope that I won't drown. New mob unlocked in it. Bats. I think we would have seen an actual bottle because I didn't know that they're in lush trees. I wonder what they're always fire guys. Wait, that's how to do it. Die. Yeah, but why would you want to die? So that we respawn. No. No way. Did we just... If this will work. Have you guys ever noticed that I would have the same stuff in my inventory? Yes, the boats. No. There's nothing working. Ugh. I'm gonna try. There are no. Oops. I tapped it. Actually, I tapped it creation. I'm gonna show you my idea for what the hut should be like. I'm sorry. No one. I only made it. It's also, I just added this window so that we can see like what's in. Yep. Yeah. There's always 2 witches that spawn in there. With vines everywhere. Even their guardian. I would not want to come in. This is Ted's place. Hello, everybody. You need an account. But I want you guys to comment. What should I do? What should I build? There. So here's what I like to do. So first so look. Nope. Yes. And then I'm gonna do black. Like that. Oh. If we die, we can put armor through here at the witch's house. Where, of course, they're trying to attack our armor. Oh, look. I'm not gonna possible. Well, this is definitely good. Maybe no armor stands, or else it's just so hot. Okay. At least he's holding it for me. Oh. So, okay, I want you to comment what should I build after this. So this will be yep. It looks like we can. I've forgotten. We have mods on this. So this will actually be my yeah. The slime factor. Okay, so what should the door be made of? D-O-O, 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 D-O-O. I'm back. Well, there's a crazy noise coming, everybody. The floor will be the best floor ever. Only one problem is it's at 15%. Of course, no 6. I'll give you a hint of what's the floor gonna be. There, that's what it's gonna be. Down. That's the same to the roof. Well, they're just munching on their armor stand. I might actually make these structures a mod. Okay. So you can find this in actually either swamps or plains. It's harder to find in plains. I just like it would also be an add-on. And there's the roof. I guess this would take 3 days. And we have no time to do that. The phone is about to die. And you can't charge it because the charger is broken. Lucky, you don't have to wait. And now just one more touch. Some lantern. There are now lanterns in here. The name is the lantern. even know what's a trance. And I just named it that. Well, that's it for this video. Bye bye.